welcome to our guide on effective farm management. Farming today demands more than just hard work, it necessitates smart practices that ensure productivity and sustainability. In this video, we'll explore key practices that can transform your farming operations. From crop rotation to soil health and pest control, each element plays a crucial role in creating a thriving farm. By implementing these strategies, you can avoid common pitfalls and optimize your resources. So, let's dive in and uncover the secrets to successful farm management. In this section, we'll delve into the challenges that farmers commonly face in managing their operations. Farmers encounter numerous obstacles, ranging from soil degradation to persistent pest infestations. These issues can profoundly impact farm productivity and profitability. Poor management of these factors can lead to significant losses, jeopardizing the livelihood of farmers and the sustainability of their practices. Understanding these challenges is crucial as the first step toward implementing effective solutions. As we move forward, you'll see informed strategies and practical solutions that can transform these obstacles into opportunities for growth and improvement. So, let's get started on unraveling the common challenges in farm management and setting the stage for sustainable success. Understanding crop rotation is essential for effective farm management. Crop rotation involves growing different crops in the same location across different seasons. This practice can significantly enhance soil health and reduce pest populations. By rotating crops, farmers disrupt the life cycle of pests, making it harder for them to establish. Additionally, different crops have varying nutrient requirements and benefits. For example, planting legumes can help enrich the soil with nitrogen, benefiting subsequent crops. Crop rotation also helps prevent soil degradation by balancing nutrient use and promoting organic matter retention. This technique allows the land to heal and rejuvenate. Next, let's dive into the planning phase, where we'll discuss specific crop rotation plans and how to implement them effectively on your farm. To successfully implement crop rotation on your farm, start by meticulously planning your crop cycles. Identify the different crops you plan to grow and allocate them specific plots in a rotating sequence. For example, follow a legume crop, such as soybeans, with a cereal crop, like wheat. This rotation helps balance the soil nutrients, improving fertility and structure. Additionally, it's beneficial to insert deep-rooted crops in your rotation plan to help break up soil compaction. Improved water infiltration and enhanced root development will result. Create a rotation schedule spanning several growing seasons and switch plant families regularly to disrupt pest cycles naturally. Diverse crops can also prevent disease buildup in the soil. Document your crop rotation plan and observe how each crop affects the soil over time. Adjust your strategy as necessary based on your observations. Consistently rotating crops is a proactive step towards sustainable farming. Healthy soil is the foundation of a productive farm. It sustains crop growth, contributes to resilience against pests, and supports overall farm sustainability. Recognizing the importance of soil health is crucial for any successful farming operation. To gauge soil health, look at indicators such as soil texture and color. Healthy soil often has a crumbly texture, rich in organic matter, giving it a dark, robust color. Other important indicators are the presence of earthworms and other beneficial organisms, which signal a thriving soil ecosystem. A soil that smells earthy and fresh, rather than moldy or inert, is typically in good health. It's vital to monitor these indicators regularly to maintain optimal soil health. Implementing specific techniques can enhance the quality of your soil, leading to better crop yields and a more sustainable farm ecosystem. To elevate your farm's productivity, focusing on soil health is crucial. Start by incorporating organic matter into the soil. Materials like compost and manure enrich the soil, improving its structure and fertility. Another key technique is the use of cover crops. Planting cover crops, such as clover or rye, helps prevent erosion, retain moisture, and add essential nutrients back into the soil. These crops act as a natural barrier against harsh weather conditions, thus preserving the soil's integrity. Additionally, cover crops can suppress weeds, reducing competition for your primary crops. As they decompose, they also contribute organic matter, further enriching the soil. Consistently applying these practices creates a sustainable environment that enhances soil health and, consequently, crop yields. Next, you'll see how integrated pest management can further optimize your farm. Pests in farming can cause significant damage, drastically impacting crop yields and farmer livelihoods. Understanding the common pests and their effects is crucial for effective pest management. First, let's identify some of the usual suspects: aphids, caterpillars, and beetles. These insects feed on crops, weakening the plants and reducing productivity. Then there are the burrowers like rodents, which can destroy root systems and spread disease. Each pest type presents unique challenges and requires targeted strategies for control. Recognizing the signs of infestation early can make a significant difference. Wilting leaves, discolored spots, and chewed foliage are all indicators of pest damage. By identifying these symptoms promptly, farmers can act quickly to mitigate the effects. As we move forward, you'll see various approaches to managing these pests effectively, ensuring your crops stay healthy and productive. Effective pest control is crucial for sustaining healthy crops and maximizing yields. There are three primary methods to tackle pest issues: biological, chemical, and integrated pest management, commonly known as IPM. Biological pest control leverages natural predators or parasites of the pest species. This eco-friendly approach minimizes chemical use, fostering a more balanced ecosystem on your farm. Chemical pest control involves applying pesticides to target specific pests directly. When applied correctly, it can be highly effective, but it's essential to follow guidelines to avoid harming beneficial insects and the environment. IPM combines various pest control techniques to achieve the most effective results with the least environmental impact. It starts with monitoring pests, setting action thresholds, and employing a combination of biological, cultural, mechanical, and chemical control methods based on the situation. By understanding and implementing these pest control strategies, you can protect your crops from damage and ensure a productive farm. Let's look at a real-life example where crop rotation significantly improved soil health and crop yields. On Miller Farms, a multi-generational family farm nestled in the heartland, they decided to adopt crop rotation 5 years ago. They started by following a simple rotation plan: legumes, followed by cereals, then root vegetables. The switch brought immediate benefits. The first year they noticed an increase in soil organic matter and a reduction in soil-borne diseases. By the third year, their wheat yields had increased by 25%, and pest issues had drastically diminished. Miller Farms also reported a noticeable improvement in soil texture and fertility. This transformation wasn't just about numbers. The family enjoyed seeing the land regaining its vitality, knowing their children and grandchildren will work healthier soils. As farmer Joe Miller put it, crop rotation saved our soil and improved our yields. It's a commitment worth making. In this case study, we'll see how improving soil health led to better crop performance and sustainability. Meet Alex, a farmer who faced dwindling yields and soil depletion. By incorporating techniques such as using organic matter and planting cover crops, Alex transformed his land. The introduction of compost not only enriched the soil but also enhanced its water retention capabilities. Cover crops played a crucial role in preventing erosion and maintaining soil structure. Over time, these methods rejuvenated the soil, leading to healthier, more robust crops. The improved soil health also meant fewer pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical interventions. As Alex observed the benefits, his confidence in these sustainable practices grew. Improved soil health significantly boosted his farm's productivity and resilience, setting a strong foundation for the future. Next, you'll see how another farmer successfully tackled pest issues, further contributing to sustainable farming. In this segment, we delve into a compelling case study on effective pest control. Imagine a farm struggling with pest infestations, threatening the livelihood of its crops. Now, let's see how targeted pest control methods turned this scenario around. The journey began with an integrated approach, combining biological and chemical strategies. By introducing natural predators like ladybugs, and using precise chemical treatments, the farm reduced pest populations significantly. This balance ensured minimal harm to the environment while protecting the crops. The results were transformative. Over a single growing season, crop yields increased by 30%, and the quality of produce improved remarkably. Farmers reported fewer instances of pest-related damage, leading to healthier, more resilient plants. This case study stands as a testament to the impact of effective pest control. It highlights how combining various methods can lead to sustainable and profitable farming. Next, you'll discover how integrating practices like crop rotation and soil health improvement can create a holistic approach to farm management. As we reach the culmination of our series, it's time to embrace the holistic approach to farm management. Combining crop rotation, soil health improvement, and effective pest control is not just a series of isolated practices but a comprehensive strategy. By integrating these methods, we create a synergy that promotes sustainable agriculture and robust farm productivity. Crop rotation maintains soil fertility and disrupts pest cycles, ensuring your soil remains vibrant and productive season after season. Enhancing soil health through organic matter and cover crops boosts its ability to support healthy crop growth. Effective pest control, whether through biological means, chemicals, or integrated pest management, protects your crops from significant damage. Together, these practices form the backbone of a successful farm management plan. The holistic approach fosters a resilient farming ecosystem where each element contributes to the overall health and productivity of the farm. With this integrated strategy, you can face farming challenges with confidence and ensure long-term success. Stay tuned as we move forward to share tips for ongoing success and further resources to support your farming journey. For ongoing success in farming, it's essential to never stop learning. The agricultural landscape constantly evolves, bringing new challenges and opportunities. Adapt to these changes by staying informed about the latest trends and technologies. Don't hesitate to seek expert advice when you encounter uncertainties or need guidance. Whether through workshops, reading materials, or consultations, expert insights can provide invaluable support. Continuous learning, adaptation, and expert advice are your cornerstones for maintaining and improving your farm management practices. Let's explore some resources that can help deepen your knowledge. To deepen your understanding of farm management, dive into these valuable resources. Check out books and articles that offer in-depth insights, enroll in online courses designed to enhance your skills, and connect with agricultural organizations for expert guidance. These resources will provide you with a wealth of knowledge and practical tips, ensuring you stay ahead in managing your farm effectively. Continuous learning is key to success in agriculture. Explore these options and take your farm management practices to the next level. In summary, effective farm management hinges on crop rotation, soil health, and pest control. Implementing these practices can lead to a successful and productive farm. We encourage you to take what you've learned and apply it to your operations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content and follow us for ongoing tips and insights. Together, we can build a future of sustainable and efficient farming.